Hello, welcome to you all to this session on how to get driving license details from Parivahan homepage. This is Brahmadesham, SURESH, VASUDEV, BHARADWAJ.
Homepage provides the following details about your driving license. Current status, is it active or inactive? Holder's name, here it is Brahmadesham, SURESH, INFORMATIONal Bharadwaj. Your DL number, source of data, initial issue date, when was your driving license issued to you first, by which RTO, last endorsed date, when was the last time you received your driving license, which RTO issued it, what were the driving license services that you received on this day from the Regional Transport Office. Homepage provides details about the validity details of your driving license, both for your non-transport vehicles and transport vehicles. It will also tell you whether you have received driving license to drive hazardous material and whether you have received driving license to drive in hill areas. Finally, it will also give you details of the class of vehicles that are included in your driving license. Non-transport, transport, class of vehicle, motorcycle with gear, MCWG, motorcycle without gear, MCWOG, three-wheeler cab, light motor vehicle, also known as four-wheeler or motor car. The issue date of each of these class of vehicles. Completed transaction refers to 20 different driving license services that are offered by the Regional Transport Office, also known as RTO. Issue of driving license extract, renewal of driving license, issue of duplicate DL, replacement of DL, change of name in DL, change of address in DL, change of date of birth in DL, change of photo and signature in DL, addition of new class of vehicles to driving license, conversion of class of vehicles, issue of PSV badge to a driver, surrender of class of vehicles or PSV badges, endorsement to drive hazardous material, endorsement to drive in hill region, additional endorsement to DL, AEDL, AEDL for defense DL holder, issue of no objection certificate, NOC, cancellation of NOC, and issue of international driving permit, IDP. Most of the driving license services that you need from RTO requires that you visit the RTO, speak to the concerned RTO officer, submit the necessary application and proceed further. However, there is contactless service. There are 5 contactless services which allow you to apply online without ever visiting the RTO. These 5 driving license services which are available through contactless services are the following: renewal of DL, DL extract, change of name in DL, issue of duplicate DL, change of address in DL. Here you have an opportunity. You could apply for DL renewal, apply for duplicate DL, apply for change of address, apply for DL extract using contactless services. However, if you run into problem online, you're allowed to visit RTO to get these 4 contactless services done through contact with RTO. However, the remaining 4 require you to contact RTO, apply for driving license, apply for withdrawal of service, addition of class of vehicles, and DL services. Parivahan homepage provides these 8 different pictorial icons. By clicking on each one of them, you can access these 8 DL services through contact with RTO. These are apply for driving license, apply for DL renewal, apply for duplicate DL, change of address, DL extract, service withdrawal, IDL services, replacement of driving license, and many other services. Finally, addition of class of vehicles to an application. Parivahan homepage has a magical service which is known as DL services. You can see it here. DL services, replacement of DL, and many other services. When you click on DL services, you can get access to 18 different driving license services. Here are those 18 different DL services. Renewal of DL, additional endorsement to DL, change of address in DL, replacement of DL, endorsement to drive hazardous material, DL extract, issue of international driving permit, IDP, change of date of birth in driving license, AEDL for defense DL holder. This account lets you to access other DL services as well. Issue of duplicate DL, issue of PSV badge to a driver, change of name in DL, change of photo and signature in DL, endorsement to drive in hill region, issue of no objection certificate, cancellation of no objection certificate, NOC, surrender of class of vehicles, and or PSV badges, class of vehicle conversion, applicable only in some states. Let us now begin the actual work. Type https://parivahan.gov.in. The process begins now. Please subscribe to this channel. You can access not only this tutorial, but also many other, both driving license related services and vehicle related services. Thanks. It is from Informational Services menu that you can know your license details. Process is simple. Just type Parivahan in any internet browser's search line. It could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Apple Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Flash browser, or any other good internet browser. When you type Parivahan in Google search line, this is the result you get. Parivahan Gov in Home Parivahan Sewa, Ministry of Road Transport of the Government of India. Vehicle related services, driving license related services. Now click on Home Parivahan Sewa, Ministry of Road Transport. The Parivahan Sewa homepage appears now. What you see here is the homepage of Parivahan Gov in of the Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. License related services, vehicle related services. If you break the Parivahan homepage into three parts, the top part contains the Parivahan Gov in Parivahan homepage web address. Below that, Parivahan Sewa, an offering by the Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Lastly, the two most important menus, online services and informational services. To explore, pull down both these menus. First, explore online services menu. Pull down online services menu. The three most important services that are available through online services from Parivahan web page are vehicle related services, driving license related services and permit related services. Here is the complete list of services offered by online services menu. Vehicle related services, permit related services, driving license related services, check post tax, fancy number booking, NOR services, paid NOR services, homologation, national permit authorization, AITP authorization, CNG maker, SLD maker, VLTD maker, PUCC, trade certificate, Vahan Green Seva, E-Chalan, vehicle scrapping, vehicle fitness testing, dealer authorization certificate, vehicle recall. Now, informational services. Two most important informational services are know your license details, know your vehicle details. Under informational services, you see know your license details. Now, click on know your license details. You get the most relevant know your license details window. What you see here is the know your license details window. Now fill the first part of know your driving license status. You need to enter your driving license number, date of birth and verification code. You see the second part. It provides information about different formats that you can use to enter your driving license number. Driving license number can be entered in any of the following formats: DL, hyphen, rest of your DL number, or DL, the next two digits, space, and the rest of your number. The total number of input characters should be exactly 16. If you hold an old driving license, then convert the format as per the information given here. SS, 2-character state code, RR, 2-digit RTO code, YYYY, 4-digit year of issue. Rest of the numbers are to be given in 7 digits. The third and final part tells about the terms of use. The content on this portal is meant for sharing information regarding vehicles on the basis of information available on centralized Vahan and Vehicle National Register. Using content of this portal for any commercial purpose or any derivative work or misuse of any kind is strictly prohibited and may invite legal consequences. The content can be removed from the portal without notice and at any time as per Ministry of Road Transport and Highways direction and decision. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways shall not be held responsible for any interactions, passing of information, etc. between any user via email, chat and any other mediation with another user. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has no obligation to monitor any such disputes arising between the users and shall not be party to such dispute or litigation. These terms and conditions shall be governed by and construed in accordance with the Indian laws. Any dispute arising under these terms and conditions shall be subject to the jurisdiction of the courts of Indian territory only. To begin with, to know enter your driving status, license number, enter your driving license number, date of birth and verification code. Now enter your date of birth. Click on the downward menu. You will see the list of years. Choose your year of birth. Above that, pull down another menu. You will see the list of months from January to December. Select your month. Then click on the day that you are born. To get 5 different details about your DL, enter verification code. Next, click on Check Status button. The 5 different details that you get about your driving license. Details of DL, DL initial details, DL endorsed details, DL validity details, class of vehicle details. Here are the DL details of Gautami Putra Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satagopa Satakrutu Satakarni. Details of driving license. Current status. Is it active or inactive? Holder's name. Gautami Putra Satavahana Satanana Satakarni. DL number. Source of data. Initial issue date. When was the DL issued to this gentleman? Which RTO provided this driving license? Last endorsed date. When was the last time the driving license was issued to this person? Which RTO issued this license? Last completed transaction. Driving license status window also provides driving license validity details, both for non-transport vehicles and transport vehicles. Non-transport vehicles will have white number board. Transport vehicles will have yellow number plate. It will also tell you whether the driving license is issued to drive hazardous material and drive in hill areas. It also provides class of vehicle details, class of vehicle category, NT, non-transport, TR, transport. Class of vehicles can be motorcycle with gear, MCWG, motorcycle without gear, MCWOG, 3-wheel cab, 3W cab, LMV, light motor vehicle, also known as motor car. Class of vehicle issue date for each one of these class of vehicles. Here are the DL details of Sri Perambudur Ramanuja Lakshmana Muni Acharya Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satagopa Satakarni Iyengar. Example 2. DL details of Kattumannar Koil Alavandar Yamunamuni Acharya Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakarni Iyengar Jiyengar. Example 3. DL details of Ayodhya Kandadai Ramanuja Muni Acharya Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakrutu Satakarni Iyengar Jiyengar. Example 4. DL details of Brahmadesham Krishnamachari Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satagopa Satakrutu Satakarni Bharadwaj. Example 5. DL details of Brahmatantra Swatantra Paravastu Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakrutu Satakarni Govinda Dasarapan Aya Iyengar Jiyengar Alwan Jiyar Tatacharya. Example 6. DL details of Kanchipuram Brahmadesham Vadikesari Alagiya Manavala Soumyaja Matru Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakrutu Satakarni Iyengar Jiyengar Jiyar. Example 7. DL details of Sarvatantra Swatantra Parakala Paravastu Nainar Annangacharya Nambi Venkatacharya Alagiya Manavalan Tiruvaimoli Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakrutu Satakarni Iyengar Jiyengar Aya Ayavarlu Alwan. Example 8. DL details of Kandadai Mudali Andal Dasarathi Dikshit Satanana Satavahana Satamarshana Satakrutu Satakarni Aya Ayavar Iyengar Jiyengar Swami. Example 9. details of Pedugiri, Yetiraja, Deshantari, Kelvi, Tirunarayana, Satanana, Satavahana, Satamarshana, Sataprudu, Satakarani, Ayanga, Jiyanga, Swami. Well, you not only get to know your driving license details from Parivahan homepage, you will also get to know all the details about all your vehicle-related services and driving license services. A sincere request, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.
Om Saptashri Namaha. Bharadwaj Uvacha. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are sons and daughters of Indian Hindu creator God Brahma, Srishtikarta Brahma. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are Brahmaputras, sons of Brahma, Brahmaputris, daughters of Brahma, Brahmakumaras and Brahmakumaris. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another. No Indian Hindu man, woman or child is superior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. Similarly, no Indian Hindu man, woman or child is inferior to any other Indian Hindu man, woman or child. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are sons and daughters of Indian Hindu creator God Brahma, Srishtikarta Brahma. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are Brahmaputras, Brahmaputris, Brahmakumaras and Brahmakumaris. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to one another at all times. Real Indian Hinduism has only three castes: Vaishyas, Brahmins and Kshatriyas. All Indian Hindu men, women and children, whether Sat, Sata, Satvata, Satanana, Satavahana, Satamarshana, Satakarani, Satagopa, Satakrutu, Satani, Satumurai, Satapata, Sri Vaishnava, Aya, Ayavaru, Ayangar, Jiyangars, Smartha, Sri Adi Shankaracharya Brahmins, Aradhya Brahmins, Sri Jangama Brahmins, Vishwakarma Brahmins, Vigha Brahmins, Vyasa Mogavira, Besta Gangeya Brahmins, Golla, Yadava Krishna Kshatriyas, Gauli, Ahir, Jag, Ontari, Dasiri, Kapu, Balija, Balija Naidu, Balija Shetty, Balija Kshatriyas, Balija Banajiga, Banajiga Shetty, Holaya, Holaraya, Devanga, Padmasale, Sadaru, Sada Nekara, Nekara, Agarwal, Setti, Komati, Se, Marwadi, Bunts, Sri Vaishnava Namadhari Vakaligas, Gangadkara Ganga Kshatriyas, Badagi, Kunchitiga, Hallikara, Morasu, Kanchipuram, Kempe Gauda, Telugu, Vakaliga, Gauda Kshatriya, Ghanchi, Ganiga, Gupta, Maurya Teli, Gupta, Chanakya Teli, Saha, Sahu, Teli, Billava, Diwaru, Tiya, Yadava, Idiga, Idiga Nayak Kshatriya, Sri Vaishnava Namadhari Idiga Nayak Kshatriya, Nadar, Gaud,
Hallipaika, Rashtrakuta Ratta Reddy Kshatriyas, Maratha Kshatriya, Sahasrarjuna Kshatriya, Kunbi Shinde Gayakwad, Kunbi Sindhya Gayakwad Kshatriya, Mahar Kshatriya, Mahar Gayakwad Kshatriya, Nair, Nair Menon Kshatriya, Chamar Jatav Kshatriya, Valmiki Beda Boya Nayak Kshatriya, Jat Kshatriya, Bant Shetty, Bant Kshatriya, Kuruba, Hakka Bukka Kuruba Kshatriya, Mudiraja Kshatriya, Sri Vaishnava Velama Kshatriya, Kumbara Shetty, Raju Rachevar Kshatriya, Draupadi Tigala Kshatriya, Mala, Malla, Chola, Chera, Pandya, Chalukya, Uppara, Panchavasali, Kamma, Kamme, Naidu Kshatriya, Vadda, Vadayar, Rajput Kshatriya, Mada, Madala, Madara, Madarasa, Madarasi, Madiga, Modaliga, Kayasta Kshatriya, Brahmin, Hoysala, Karnataka, Jain Kshatriya Brahmin, Shiva Bhakta Lingayat, Agarwal Kshatriya Vaishya, Ayodhya Agarwal Kshatriya, and Ayodhya Khatri Kshatriya belong to only three Indian Hindu castes, Brahmins, Kshatriyas and Vaishyas, because Indian Hinduism has only three castes, Kshatriyas, Brahmins and Vaishyas. All Indian Hindu men, women and children are equal to each other at all times. We have come to the end of the tutorial. Thanks to you all for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. We want to serve you better and continuously. Thank you once again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Brahmadesham, SURESH, VASUDEV, BHARADWAJ. Have a good day. Thank you.